That was close. That was close.
Welcome to First Time Farmer. Thank you for joining us today. Today is tree cutting day. So we have power coming in and we have to clear some trees out of the way, make a few mistakes along the way. Stay tuned and see what happens. Okay, we're going to get rid of these poplar to get started. They're in the way. We got about 4 or 5 of them here that we're going to do. It's really the pine in behind that have to move for the inbound power lines. But we're taking the opportunity to clear this area here. It just makes it easier. This way we don't have to deal with these poplar at some point in the future. Okay, we got the popples out of the way, and now we move into the pines. The pines make a line along the property line on the street. Things start to go awry here. So we trim up this small pine that's got to come down and get ready to start cutting it down. And then we make our first cuts. And here comes my first mistake. So I cut it at about the place it should fall, and I think I'm going to push it. And I actually do move it a little bit. But what's happening is the branches up above are caught in the other trees. And so now I've actually cut the hinge off, and it is just sitting there. It's not even attached anymore, but it's so snagged in the other trees. So I should have had these chains on in advance on a smaller tree like this so that it wouldn't necessarily fall down. Now these chains are 25 feet of chain, 30 feet of strap, 2 more chains, 50 feet. You know, so we're a good distance away, and I'm going to attach it to the truck and pull it tight. We move on to the next one, scoping it out, making a plan. Forget to move the camera, so you can't really see a lot of this, but I'm going to cut some notches and kind of get it designed where I want it to fall, and hopefully all things go well.
So the problem we have here is that with this one, all of these long pine branches are all intertwined up top. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to put some pressure. We're pulling it with the truck. We're going to put some pressure on it. I bought some wedges, so we'll do some wedges, but we got to get these branches to come through this way. Okay. Hopefully this goes well. So you can see the chain up there. So that's 25 foot of chain connected to 30-foot recovery strap, connected to 2 more 25-foot sections of chain. So the truck is 155 feet that way, putting pressure against it. So now I'm going to do a back cut. Actually, I'm going to increase this wedge a bit. Then I'll start doing a back cut, and then I'll put some wedges in. Well, not quite what I wanted. I wanted it that way just a little bit, but that's okay. But it came this close to the camera. Oops. Oh, I still did it. All right, I'll give you a little rundown of what happened, although you probably saw most of it. Okay, so this tree broke backwards. Wasn't supposed to go into the street, but you know, I'd used the truck to pull the other one. So I had put, maybe you can see it, I'd put the tractor right here. And it was going to come in and push this. So I did my cut, and then I was going to push it, but it decided to go backwards. And it went right down the side of that box, and the tractor was on that side of the box, and the tree went on that side of the box. So it missed the tractor by inches. So then I cut it up, threw it all over here because I got to get the gate open so I can get through. But before I bother to do that, I'm going to try and pull this out of there by picking the butt up and dragging it out and see if I can get it down out of up there.